Update time. Been a tough evening out here. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so I got the carburetor changed. I went ahead and replaced all the fuel lines. I replaced the ignition coil. I replaced the starter solenoid. Everything works. I put a new battery in it. Well, it's not a new battery. It's one that I had laying around, and I was like, hey, it'll work. Nope. So I can get this thing to start, and I can get it running. But after about 30-45 seconds, the voltage on the battery drops so much that it won't run. This battery's not big enough. It's barely big enough to turn the motor over, but it is not recharging fast enough. I think this battery is actually bad. So I've got another battery on order. I am really, really hoping I don't have to put a stator in this thing. But if I do, it'll be okay. I'm just waiting on a few more parts for this thing, mainly the battery. And once it comes in, I'll get it put together and get this thing fired up for y'all. I just really did not want to put out a video until I got to ride it. So till then, y'all get up, get out there, and get after it.